So guys, once you're on Chrome, for the first step, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then you want to click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. And then once you're on this, you just want to remove all the extensions that you have here. Remove all of them. And now for the second step, you want to click on the three dots again in the top right, then you want to click on settings. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you want to click on accessibility, then you want to untick everything that you see here. You want to untick everything on this page. And now for the next step, on the left hand side again, you want to click on reset settings, and then click on restore settings to original defaults. You can untick this if you want to, and then click on reset settings. And then once you do that, you just want to close out of Chrome, and then open it back up again, and then the problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, then in that case, we're going to click on the three dots again, and then click on settings. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you want to scroll down, and then click on about Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates for Chrome. Make sure that you have it fully up to date. If it says to you relaunch, then you want to click on relaunch, which then open up Chrome again, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to click on the three dots again, go to settings. On the left hand side, you want to select privacy and security. And now you want to scroll down and then click on delete browsing data. Now you want to go to advanced, you want to set this to all time, and then you want to select everything here. Select all of this and then click on delete data. Now you just want to restart Chrome again, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Google Chrome. You want to click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. And then once you uninstall it, you just want to go to any other web browser, and then you just want to re-download Chrome again.